Hey YouTubers, here's an unboxing and review of a fan for use in my van. I bought this for my van to replace another fan. Long story on that. Well, not a long story, but let's open this first. This is a Vornado and it's the model 573. I got it for about $34. They try to brag about this, that it's more than a fan, that it circulates air up to 60 feet and it gets it moving in all different directions. For anybody in a van, you know that's a good thing. Airflow isn't always the greatest thing in the world. We'll see if it's all that it says it is, because it's got like deep pitch blades. Ooh, whatever the heck that means. It's supposed to help with it. It's 3.8 pounds and it runs at 2,000 RPMs and it's got a 6-foot cord. So let's open it. Amazon, like I said, $34. $34. Sometimes the accent pops out. They give you an instruction. Like I need instructions how to use a fan. Maybe I do. Maybe that's part of my problems in life. I don't read the instructions. Cardboard. Lots of cardboard. Always lots of cardboard. Take it out. More cardboard in the box. Comes in this fancy bag that if I was real particular, I could open real quick. All right, so there it is. As you can see, it's kind of flat. On the back of it, it has a stopper, so you can sit it like this to get air to go up, which again in a van could come in useful. Something neat. See if we can get it in there. Maybe I need to take a picture. But what's neat about it is the plug has a fuse in it. Open that up and there's a little fuse in there, so you can replace it instead of burning stuff out. See if I can actually open it. Hold on a second. Sorry it's been a little dark in this video, but there's the trap door and there's the fuse, so that's helpful. All right, and there you can see, as I just showed you in the picture, there's a little fuse in there. And then you just push that back down to protect it. And it's hot in here, so let's turn this sucker on. It's got a 6-foot cord. I'll plug it in. And then on the back is where the dial is. And fans are always weird. They go from off to high. So I'm going to put it on low. Let's see what I got here. Little piece of paper towel. And you can hear. It's not very loud. Turn it up to 2. A little bit louder. A little bit more air. And all the way up to 3. And that's got some airflow to it. Turn it off for a second. I think it's good actually. Okay, we'll turn it off. I used to, I had a nice Honeywell fan, small, about this kind of size. I gave it away. I have no regrets of giving it to somebody, but I've been using this other fan. And what the heck is this? This is a Duracraft. It has like 2 speeds on it and it just doesn't move enough air. So if I'm expecting it to be a bit warm, I'm not going to do that. So we talked about the fuse and the plug, which I think is pretty cool. It's got a 5-year warranty. The measurements on it are 6.2 by 10.5 by 9 inches. So it's, as you can see, it's not that big. And I think this will do a very good job of keeping the air moving out here. All right, so hold on one second. I'm gonna let that run. It's cool how it looks through the camera. It doesn't look like that through there. All right, so I'm laying back on my RV bed and I can still feel this here. It's moving the air around nice. They say it moves it everywhere. It doesn't move it from behind, which you wouldn't think it could, but overall I think it does pretty darn well. So again, we'll shut it off. I don't know what you're hearing through that. So again, this is the Vornado or Vornado, however you want to say it. Vornado makes sense because it's close to tornado to me. $34. It's the model 573. I still can't find my voltmeter, because if you're in an RV, how much power stuff you use really matters. But I got the little sticker on here, and the motor in it is 0.75 amps, which is okay. There are some this size that have a little bigger, but as I was searching, there's a lot that have smaller. Guess where it's made? Guess where it's made? Yeah, you're right. That's where it was made. So it's 120 volts, 0.75 amps at 60 hertz. And if you're running off a battery in your RV, it might do okay. We'll see how long it would last on my little Jackery if I need to use it for that. But looking forward to taking this on my next trip. Hopefully it helps a little bit, and I hope that review was helpful for you. I would think this is good for, you know, if you need something in your office, a small room kind of thing, or a 21-foot Class B camper van. This seems to move the air pretty good, so I think it might come in handy. Hope it was helpful, and have a great and wonderful day.